Go ahead.
Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Friday, May 23rd. Well, as we wind down a week here ahead of a 3-day weekend, once again we have no trade Sunday night, Monday due to the Memorial Day holiday. We have grain and oilseed prices a little bit firmer in the overnight trade. We have the corn and the wheat up roughly around 2 to 3 cents, the bean market up around 5, the meal market up around $5, and the soybean oil market up around 10 points. However, it has been a oilseed versus a grain week. Beans on the week are up roughly around 60 cents, the meal market up $25, and the soybean oil market up around 25 points, while the grains have been on the defensive, the wheat down 10 cents and the corn market down 5 cents. We continue to have the concerns about are we or are we not rationing our U.S. soybean supply, which was evident again yesterday with our weekly sales, versus the grains, which has had a weekend weather concerns coming into both the corn and the wheat, along with competition from global grain prices. And we've seen general liquidation by the specs in the corn and in the wheat versus the continued addition of long positions in both the beans and in the meal. Overnight news was somewhat on the quiet side. Tender activity is still showing where people are going to other sources than the U.S. for wheat. There's some talk that maybe the Obama administration will backtrack on reducing some of the biofuel targets that the EPA is proposing, and that could be going to Washington here today. Other than that, there's talk of China next week continuing with their grain and oilseed auctions from their reserves, so that's kind of tampering down their domestic market. Otherwise, the weather situation seems to be quite favorable going forward. We should continue with our corn and bean plantings on a timely pace. That will be out on Tuesday afternoon. And as we work our way forward, we'll get a commitment of trade report after the close today, of which we still surmise the trade is net long across the whole floor. So if we were to ration our bean supply and find out that we are continuing with a good planting and progress report for corn, beans, and wheat going forward, we would think that in general prices should be somewhat suppressed over time. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.